Do you believe that something as ordinary as a kitchen ingredient, when combined the right way, can turn into a secret that makes the skin smooth and reduces wrinkles so effectively it feels unbelievable? Many people still think that skincare is only about creams. Yet in reality, plenty struggle with dry, rough skin and deepening wrinkles. The interesting part is that right in our familiar kitchens, there is a very simple recipe that few expect. When coconut oil, a common household ingredient, is combined with another seemingly ordinary component, it creates a noticeable transformation for the skin. So, what is it? And what is the science behind this combination? In today's video, I'll break it down with you so you can understand and apply it safely and effectively at home. Be sure to watch until the end to grasp the full secret. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Every subscription and every share is a huge motivation for Live Well every day to bring you more useful content. Wishing you lots of health, peace, and a youthful glow over time. Now, let's get started. Dear friends, right finger, dear friends. To have a natural mask that brightens the skin and gently fades dark spots right at home, we only need 3 familiar ingredients. The first ingredient I want to go into detail about is pure coconut oil. For just one mask, you only need about a teaspoon. In that small amount lies a treasure of nutrients. Most important are the medium-chain fatty acids, especially lauric, capric, and caprylic acid. These fatty acids soften the skin and strengthen its natural barrier right on the surface, reducing water loss. Thanks to its strong moisturizing ability, skin feels less tight, more hydrated, and supple after applying coconut oil. Not only that, coconut oil contains natural vitamin E and polyphenols, 2 antioxidant compounds that help neutralize free radicals, which are among the leading causes of skin aging. With regular use, these actives help slow wrinkle formation and support smoothness and elasticity. That's why coconut oil isn't just a familiar kitchen ingredient but also a natural moisturizer, safe and effective when used properly. The second ingredient in this formula is pure olive oil. Just a teaspoon contains plenty of skin-loving compounds. First is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with great penetration ability that softens, improves elasticity, and supports the restoration of the skin's natural moisture barrier. Olive oil is also rich in natural squalene, a fat structurally similar to the skin's own oil, making it feel familiar and comfortable, preventing dryness while maintaining long-lasting hydration. In addition, olive oil has vitamin E and strong antioxidant polyphenols that neutralize free radicals and protect skin cells from sunlight, pollution, and other aging factors. That's why olive oil not only leaves skin smoother right away but also supports long-term anti-aging. Another important point, compared to coconut oil, olive oil is lighter and less likely to clog pores. So for oily or acne-prone skin, it's wiser and safer to prioritize olive oil and reduce coconut oil. The final ingredient is potato, an everyday food that surprisingly offers many skin benefits. All you need is 1 medium potato, about 100 grams, peeled, washed, boiled or steamed, then mashed while still slightly warm to form the perfect base for a mask. Potatoes contain a significant amount of vitamin C, well known for its antioxidant and brightening properties. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, keeping skin firm and smooth. Potatoes also provide vitamin B6 and potassium, which regulate moisture, soothe dry-prone areas, and promote a more even skin tone. The starch content delivers a cooling effect when applied, leaving skin refreshed and comfortable during masking. This unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants creates a dual action, nourishing and protecting, which helps reduce fine lines and keeps the skin looking youthful. Dear friends, When these three ingredients are combined, the potato serves as the moisturizing and instantly soothing base, while coconut oil and olive oil add softness and form a protective barrier that locks in moisture, allowing the nutrients to stay longer on the skin's surface. This mutual reinforcement makes the mixture act like a natural cream, nutrient-rich yet easy to absorb. After application, the skin often feels hydrated, with a light glow, and fine lines around the eyes or mouth may soften, leaving the complexion looking plumper and more refreshed. To maximize the mask's benefits, it's important to apply it correctly. First, cleanse your face with warm water or a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and open the pores. Then mash one boiled or steamed potato. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of olive oil until smooth. Apply a thin, even layer across the face while gently massaging in circular motions, focusing more on dry or wrinkle-prone areas. The ideal time to leave it on is about 15 minutes. Avoid leaving it too long, as the mask can dry out and pull moisture back from the skin, causing tightness. Afterward, rinse with cool water, pat dry with a soft towel, and finish with a moisturizer to lock in the smooth, supple feel. This formula is especially suited for dry, normal, or dehydrated skin. Those who spend long hours in air-conditioned rooms or often feel tightness after cleansing will notice clear improvements. For oily or acne-prone skin, or if you have enlarged pores, reduce the coconut oil by half or replace it entirely with olive oil to prevent clogging. People with inflamed acne, cuts, or extremely sensitive skin should avoid using this for the time being. For safety, test on a small patch of skin behind the ear or along the jawline for 24 hours before applying to the whole face. Only proceed if no redness, itching, or irritation appears. It's important to remember this mask is supportive. It helps soften, hydrate, and soothe the skin right after use. For long-term anti-aging, you still need to maintain healthy habits, balanced nutrition, drinking enough water, protecting your skin from the sun, and following a consistent skincare routine. When natural masks are combined with a scientific lifestyle, your skin improves day by day, naturally healthy and giving you confidence every time you look in the mirror. Dear friends, in my journey working in skincare, I once met a client in her 50s who worked daily in an air-conditioned office. Each time she looked in the mirror, she sighed at how dry her skin had become, with deeper wrinkles at the corners of her eyes and on her forehead. She had tried many expensive creams, which softened her skin temporarily, but over time the wrinkles hardly improved. During one of our conversations, I suggested she try going back to simple, familiar ingredients right from her kitchen. At first, she was skeptical. She couldn't believe that just potatoes with a bit of coconut and olive oil could do anything for her skin. But curiosity led her to try. After just a few consistent applications, she began noticing the difference. Each session left her skin softer and more comfortable. The tightness disappeared, her face looked brighter, and most importantly, the fine lines around her eyes were no longer as deep. When she shared her experience, what made me happiest wasn't just her skin's quick improvement, but the fact that she regained her confidence, looking in the mirror without hesitation, smiling more often. This proved that sometimes, natural and simple methods bring surprising results, as long as we combine them wisely and stay consistent. Through this story, I want to remind you that the potato coconut oil olive oil formula isn't a miracle that erases all signs of aging, but it can be a supportive companion, keeping the skin moisturized and comfortable every day. When paired with a healthy lifestyle, balanced meals, good sleep, and a relaxed mindset, your skin will improve little by little, and you'll be the one who notices the most meaningful changes. Friends, when it comes to beauty and skincare, there are a few golden rules that every expert always emphasizes. because they are the foundation for maintaining healthy skin and preventing premature aging. These aren't complicated secrets, but everyday habits that, if followed consistently, deliver far better and longer-lasting results than relying solely on cosmetics or a single mask. First, keeping the skin clean is the most important principle. Every day, your skin is exposed to dirt, sweat, and oil. If not cleansed properly, pores will clog, leading to breakouts and dullness. That's why washing your face gently twice a day, choosing products that suit your skin type, and always removing sunscreen or makeup is non-negotiable. Next, moisturizing is the key to fighting aging. Well-hydrated skin stays smoother and strengthens its protective barrier, reducing dryness, cracking, and wrinkle formation. Whether you use natural masks or modern products, the principle remains the same: your skin must be moisturized. The third golden rule is daily sun protection. Sunlight is the silent enemy that accelerates aging the fastest. Even on cloudy days, or when just running errands briefly, UV rays still affect the skin. Applying sunscreen, wearing hats, and covering up with long sleeves are simple yet powerful ways to slow down visible aging. Dear friends, one very important factor that many people often overlook is daily diet and lifestyle. In fact, this is the true foundation for long-term healthy and beautiful skin. Skin doesn't only reflect what we apply on the outside, it also reveals the health of the body inside. If the body lacks nutrients, if eating habits are irregular, if you stay up late or live under constant stress, then no matter how good the skincare products are, it will be difficult for your skin to remain smooth and radiant. A diet rich in vegetables and fruits provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, essential elements that help the skin fight free radicals and reduce the risk of premature aging. When the body is supplied with enough vitamin C from oranges, grapefruits, or kiwis, or vitamin A from carrots and pumpkins, the collagen production process in the skin is boosted, keeping the skin firm and elastic. Drinking enough water every day is also a principle that cannot be ignored. Water acts like a foundation nutrient, helping skin cells function smoothly and detoxify effectively. When the body lacks water, skin becomes dry, dull, and wrinkles appear more quickly. In addition, going to bed early and getting enough sleep is just as important. During sleep, the body enters its regeneration phase, repairing cells, while the skin also rests and renews itself. If you frequently stay up late, your skin will quickly become dull, lifeless, and age faster than usual. Finally, mental well-being plays a major role. Prolonged stress and worry not only affect overall health but also disrupt hormonal balance, making the skin prone to breakouts, dark spots, and faster aging. On the other hand, when you maintain a relaxed, positive lifestyle, your skin will naturally appear brighter and more radiant. In other words, a healthy body from the inside is the foundation for beautiful skin on the outside. If you only focus on skincare but neglect diet, sleep, and mental health, the results will usually be temporary. But when you combine both external care and internal nourishment, that's the sustainable path to maintaining smooth, youthful, glowing skin. And above all, patience and listening to your skin are essential principles. Everyone's skin is different, and there is no single formula that works for all. Observing how your skin responds and adjusting products and habits accordingly, that is the truly smart and safe way to care for your beauty. Right finger, it can be said that the 5 golden principles of skincare are cleanliness, hydration, sun protection, nutrition, patience. If you maintain these habits, then any natural formula or product will work far more effectively. Dear friends, today we've explored a very simple skincare secret using ingredients right from the kitchen. along with the golden skincare rules that every expert always emphasizes. By keeping your skin clean, moisturized, protected from the sun, while maintaining a healthy lifestyle and persistence. Every formula, from potato, coconut oil, and olive oil masks to any other methods, will deliver better results. If you found today's sharing helpful, don't forget to subscribe to live well every day. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next natural health and beauty tips. You can also leave a comment below so we can share more experiences together. Wishing you good health, joy, and a radiant, youthful complexion for years to come. Goodbye dear friends, and see you in the next video.